Hey, good morning, guys. This is Dol here, and we are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, first of all, good morning to all of you, and welcome to KD Architect. So, I hope you have been learning the Revit software through our tutorials. And if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So, in this video, we'll deep dive into the scale command in the Revit. We'll learn about how to scale in the Revit, how you guys can scale the detail lines and reference plane, and how to scale walls, how to scale imported image, and how you guys can scale the imported PDFs in the Revit, and we'll see difference between uh, scale the image and scale the PDF. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, we have one line, and I have sketched some lines over here, and I have drawn one reference plane over here, and I have drawn one room by using the wall, and here I have imported one image, and I have also imported one PDF, and I'll show you how to scale the image and how to scale PDF, imported PDF in the Revit. So, and also I'll show you the difference between scaling of image and scaling of PDF. So, as you can see over here, image is like a blur image, you can say over here. So it's a raster image. So how you guys can scale this kind of image, and how you guys can scale this kind of PDF, imported PDF. So I'll show you. So first, let's start from the first. So here we have one line. So I'll show you how to use scale command to scale the lines. So before that, I would like to share the shortcut of the scale, that is RE. So you guys can use the simple shortcut RE for the scale command. Or another, you have second approach, that is if you go to modify tab over here, here you will find scale command. If you see over here, we have scale command icon. So we have two approach. Either you can use the shortcut or you can use the icon from the modify tab. So over here we'll use the shortcut RE. So let's select the element first and use the RE shortcut. So now here you will find two options. One is graphical and the second is numerical. So first we'll understand graphical, then we'll jump on the numerical. So let's select the graphical option. So here you will find I'm selecting first point, and then I'll select the second point. If you observe, currently length of the line is 10 feet. So now let's select this second point. Now if I wanted to make the length of this line about 15 feet, so just drag the mouse and यहाँ पे हम 15 feet जो है उसकी वैल्यू रखेंगे. अदरवाइज यू कैन सिंपल पुट द 15 फीट बाय द कीबोर्ड. सो यहाँ पे हम 15 फीट ऐड करते हैं. लेट्स प्रेस द एंटर. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे 15 फीट जो है उसकी लेंथ यहाँ पे स्केल हो गई है. सो दिस इज द ग्राफिकल वे. So if you observe one thing over here, let's undo the command over here. Okay. Now now select again the line and use the scale command. And over here I have selected this option first. So if you observe, scale command जो है, जो लाइन को स्केल जो करेगा वो इस डायरेक्शन में करेगा. आई मीन राइट डायरेक्शन में हुआ था. लेट मी शो यू अगेन. यहाँ पे मैंने फर्स्ट पॉइंट सिलेक्ट किया, यहाँ पे मैंने सेकंड पॉइंट सिलेक्ट किया, एंड देन इफ यू ऑब्जर्व आई एम ड्रैगिंग द माउस इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. सो यहाँ पे राइट डायरेक्शन में यहाँ पे स्केल हो रहा है, एज यू कैन सी. लेट्स अनडू एंड अगेन आई एम शोइंग द स्केल कमांड. एंड नाउ यहाँ पे मैं अभी सेकंड पॉइंट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो है वो यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट को मैं सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, एंड सेकंड पॉइंट जो है वो यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट को सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. आई मीन आई एम सिलेक्टिंग द पॉइंट्स राइट टू लेफ्ट. सो यहाँ पे let's select this point, second point. Okay, something went wrong. Let's use again select the first point and select the second point from right to left. And now drag the mouse in the left direction and यहाँ पे मैं उसको 15 फीट यहाँ पे लाइन को स्केल कर रहा हूँ. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे हमारा ये वाला जो पॉइंट है वो फिक्स रहा एंड ये वाला जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे स्केल हुआ है. आई मीन लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में यहाँ पे स्केल हुआ है. सो आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. Now again we are using the scale command and let's use the RE shortcut. And यहाँ पे now let's undo first. Select the line. यहाँ पे 10 feet की line है and let's use the scale command. So यहाँ पे मैं अभी mid point को select करूँगा and select the mid point and select the second point. And now we'll enter over here. This is our length, 5 feet length and let's say 10 feet length उसको हम स्केल करेंगे. सो लेट्स एंटर 10 feet. सो इफ़ यू ऑब्जर्व यहाँ पे हमारी जो लेंथ है वो मिड पॉइंट से लेके दिस पॉइंट जो यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट है वहाँ तक हमारी 10 feet लेंथ रहेगी. लेट्स एंटर. सो एज यू कैन सी मिड पॉइंट से हमारा जो ये राइट पॉइंट था वहाँ तक हमारी लेंथ 10 feet. सो इफ़ वी टोटल then overall length will be 20 feet as you can see. So mid point से दोनों साइड इक्वली हमारा स्केल हुआ है. लाइन का जो स्केल है वो हमारा इस तरह से होता है. सो लाइक दिस वे यू कैन यूज दिस स्केल कमांड फॉर द डिटेल लाइंस. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव further. So over here I have drawn a few lines and I have made one sketch. So similar way I'll show you scale command from the different ways. So let's use the scale command for select the lines and select the scale command. तो यहाँ पे मैं फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो है सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ एंड सेकंड पॉइंट जो है वो यहाँ पे आई सिलेक्ट दिस पॉइंट. सो यहाँ पे करंटली 10 feet है हॉरिजॉन्टल लेंथ. लेट्स मेक इट अराउंड 12 feet. तो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे मैं माउस को ड्रैग कर रहा हूँ. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे स्केल जो है वो लेफ्ट टू राइट डायरेक्शन में यहाँ पे हो रहा है बिकॉज वी हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस पॉइंट एज अ फर्स्ट पॉइंट एज अ बेस पॉइंट. सो लाइक दिस वे यहाँ पे इस तरह से हम स्केल अप कर सकते हैं. सो करंट लेंथ हमारी 10 feet है. सो इफ आई वांटेड टू डिक्रीज द स्केल सो लेट्स यहाँ पे हम उसको 7 feet करते हैं एज यू कैन सी. सो लेट्स सेलेक्ट द पॉइंट. सो एज यू कैन सी लाइक दिस वे यू कैन स्केल. And now let's again use the scale command and let's select this point. So select first point and select the second point. Now you need to select the final point in the graphical method. So यहाँ पे जो भी आपको scale value रखनी है यहाँ पे आप रख सकते हो. So now let's scale up the this detail sketch. So यहाँ पे हम 13 feet यहाँ पे उसको रखते हैं. Let's select the final point. So like this way स्केल कमांड जो है वो वर्क करेगा इन द रैबिट. लेट्स अनडू. नाउ लेट्स अगेन select the sketch and use the shortcut RE for the scale. So now we'll select the midpoint over here, midpoint of the sketch. So select the first point and now you can scale up horizontally, you can scale up vertically, or another we have third option, that is you can scale up the diagonally like this way. So like this way you can scale up. Let me use the scale command. Now we'll scale the horizontally. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास 5 feet length है currently as you can see. So let's make it 7 feet. Select second point and drag the mouse. So as you can see यहाँ पे let's make it 7 feet. So as you can see scale command जो है वो center से यहाँ पे equally in all 4 direction scale command जो है वो sketch को scale कर रहा है because we have selected the midpoint of the scale. So like this way you can scale up the sketch or any line or reference plane or walls, etc. Now let's jump to next, that is here we have one reference plane. So here we can also scale the reference plane. Select the reference plane and use the scale command. Select the first point, select the second point and select the final point. Like this way you can use the scale command, graphical method to scale up the reference plane. So let me show you. यहाँ पे हमारे पास फर्स्ट लाइन जो थी रेफरेंस प्लेन की, यहाँ पे मैं मेजर टूल को यूज कर रहा हूँ. एज यू कैन सी वी हैव 10 feet length and after scaling it will be I guess it's 15 feet. Let me show you. Yeah, that's a 15 feet. So like this way you can scale the reference plane also. Now let me show you how to scale walls. So यहाँ पे मैंने एक रूम क्रिएट किया है. Let's select the all walls and select the walls and use the shortcut RE. So similar way we'll use the same process. Select the first point. यहाँ पे हमने graphical select किया है and select the. So as you can see यहाँ पे हमारा end point select नहीं हो रहा है because let me check over here. Let's change to finish face exterior. Now let's select the wall and use the scale command. Yeah, now it's snapping to end point of the wall. Yeah, that's fine. Now select the first point. Select again RE shortcut for the scale. Select first point. Let's scale it diagonally. Select second point and as you can see like this way. यहाँ पे मैंने जो sketch में जो method show की थी like this way. Similar way you can scale the walls like this way. Let's make it 11 feet like this way. So you can put the graphically in the graphical method of the scale command. So let's again use scale command. Let's make it over here. We have like this way. I guess 7 feet 9 inch approximately. Let's make it 10 feet. So as you can see, let me show you by the dimension. So if you observe, we have 10 feet length. So like this way, you can increase and decrease the scale of the walls. So यहाँ पे आप लाइंस को, रेफरेंस प्लेन को, वॉल्स को यहाँ पे स्केल अप कर सकते हो इन द रेविट. एंड अनदर also you can scale the images, imported images and imported PDFs also. Also you can scale the CAD file also. So let's scale this image. So if you observe over here, this is the raster image. So we can scale the raster image approximately, not exactly, but in some cases, if you receive the image or raster image from the client, and if you wanted to draw the flow plan from the raster image, at that time you can scale the approximately. You can scale raster image. So I will show you how you guys can scale the raster image. So as you can see over here, let select or choose the one dimension. If you observe here, we have 4 feet dimension in the image, and let's measure of the imported image actual dimension over here. So I'll select first point to this point. So if you observe here, we have 2 feet 8 inch approximately. So let's scale to 4 feet. So then select the image and use the scale command. So let's select the first point and select the second point. So here we are using the graphical method. So let's make it 4 feet. So just you need to enter the 4 feet value. So as you can see यहाँ पे image जो है वो scale हो गया है. Now let me measure again. So यहाँ पे approximately हमारा जो dimension है वो 4 feet show करेगा. So as you can see यहाँ पे approximately हमारा dimension जो है वो 4 feet show कर रहा है. As you can see. So like this way you can scale the image approximately raster image. So now let me show you how you guys can scale the PDF exactly. So in this video, I guess I have said you that I'll show you the difference between the scaling of the image and scaling of the PDF. So what is the difference? So in the raster image, we can scale approximately, but in the PDF, we can scale the exactly. I'll show you. Let me show you first. If I select the image, then over here, if you point, this is the enable snap जो option है वो disable है because this is a raster image. So in this kind of raster image, we can't select the points in the image. Now, if I select this PDF, then if you find enable snap option जो है यहाँ पे वो activate है. So यहाँ पे if we enable this option, then if you find I'll show you. Let's use the scale command first. Select the PDF, select the scale command, and we are using graphical method. So let's choose one dimension over here. Let's choose 4 feet. तो यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे ऑप्शन जो है वो पॉइंट सिलेक्शन के लिए यहाँ पे स्नैपिंग यहाँ पे अनेबल दिखा रहा है. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे मैं कोई भी पॉइंट यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. सो यहाँ पे मिड पॉइंट, यहाँ पे एंड पॉइंट, और यहाँ पे जो नियरेस्ट पॉइंट है वो यहाँ पे आई मीन स्नैपिंग ऑप्शन जो है वो पीडीएफ्स के लिए यहाँ पे एक्टिवेट हो जाता है. सो जस्ट यू नीड टू चेक के यहाँ पे आपका जो ऑप्शन है अनेबल स्नैप वो यहाँ पे ऑन होना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे लेट्स स्केल अप. So select the first point and select the second point. As you can see यहाँ पे currently length जो है वो actual value हमारी 4 feet है. But in the PDF, imported PDF, we have approximately 2 feet. So let's make it exactly 4 feet. Select the second point and drag the mouse to the right direction and let's put the 4 feet value. So as you can see यहाँ पे हमारी जो PDF है वो scale हो गई है. Now let me measure the length and let's cross check the scaling. So as you can see यहाँ पे approximately I think it's perfectly showing 4 feet. Yeah, so that's perfect. Let's measure another dimension. Let's measure this 5 feet. Yeah, it's 4 feet 11 inch 49 by 64 in fraction. So यहाँ पे I guess it's a perfectly 5 feet. So like this way, you can scale up the PDF, imported PDF in the Revit. Okay, so one thing we missed up here, that is our numerical method in the scaling. So let me show you how you guys can scale by using the numerical method. So select line and use the scale command. Here we'll select the numerical value. So here we'll keep the scale factor 2, and over here now you need to select the point of the scaling, I mean base point. So here you can select this point, you can select midpoint, you can select this end point. So if we select this point, then scaling will be in the right direction from the selected point. For the sketch, we can also scale by using numerical method. Here we'll put the let's say 1.5 and select the midpoint. So as you can see center point जो हमारा mid point है वहां से equally scaling हुआ है. So like this way you can scale the reference plane, walls, or any imported image or any imported PDFs. So like this way you can scale the different elements. So one thing I wanted to clear over here, that is you guys can't scale the doors, windows, and any casework or any furniture family in the Revit by using the scale command. You can just scale the lines, reference planes, walls, or any imported PDF or images or any DWG file which you imported in the project. So these kind of things you can scale in the Revit by using the scale command. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you really like our tutorial, then please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.